What happens when your GPU runs out of VRAM? We all know when that happens, your game will start lagging, stuttering, all that sort of stuff. But what will happen if you exceed your GPU's VRAM when using all these local LLMs? For this test, we used two 5060 Ti's, an 8GB version and a 16GB version. And to achieve consistent results, we ran two of the exact same prompts for each GPU. We'll be using two versions of Gemma 3 today, the larger and more complex version and the smaller but simpler version. We'll just call it Gemma Large and Gemma Small for short. For both GPUs, it yielded similar results when tested on Gemma Small with the two prompts, averaging around 37 tokens a second. On the other hand, when we ran the two prompts with the two GPUs on Gemma Large, things get kinda interesting. The 16GB 5060 Ti was surprisingly doing better than before, clocking in at around 43 tokens a second. But for the 8GB 5060 Ti, it went down all the way to less than 0.1 token per second. And to put that into perspective, that's like waiting 10 whole seconds to generate one single word. When we checked the GPU usage, Gemma Large was actually consuming around 11 gigs of VRAM, exceeding the 8GB 5060 Ti's VRAM. Considering the VRAM usage that we saw, it's clear that memory capacity makes all the difference. So pay attention to how much VRAM your GPU actually has and choose a LLM wisely.